SOA XMP practice question number 3. A company offers 2 warranty plans for its electronic devices for which repair cost X follow a distribution with density function f of x equals x over 200, where x is between 0 and 20. Customers may choose Plan A, which covers repairs without any deductible and has a warranty claim limit of $8, or Plan B, which requires a deductible of $8 per claim but has no limit on warranty claims. Given the occurrence of a warranty claim, calculate the absolute value of the difference between the company's expected claim payments under Plans A and B. Let's take a look at the solution. We need to compute the expected payment of Plan A and Plan B respectively. For Plan A, let YA denote the payment under this plan. If the repair cost is $8 or below, the company pays the full amount. If the repair cost is between 8 and 20, the company only pays up to $8. Set up an expression for computing the expected payment for Plan A. So the first part, we have this integral, plus the second part, we have the second term. And then for Plan B, let YB denote the payment under this plan. Because of the deductible of $8, if the repair cost is less than or equal to $8, the company pays 0. And if the repair cost is between $8 and $20, the company pays X minus $8. Set up the expression for computing the expected payment under Plan B. And then we can calculate the expected payment for Plan A and Plan B respectively. For Plan A, we use the standard integration technique. And then we get the expected payment for Plan A is $7.57. For Plan B, the first term is 0. So we start with only the second expression. Upon calculation, the expected payment for Plan B is 5.76. Calculate the absolute value. The absolute difference is 7.5733 minus 5.76. Take the absolute value of that, then we get the answer $1.81.